Well, it's Christmas morning and nobody's up, so I think I'll step outside and take care of a project.
All right, here's today's project. I'm gonna make a wood rack out of some old scrap pallets that I got over here. They work really good for me anyhow. They work good. I season my wood in these, and then after I season my wood, I can pick them up with my tractor forks and put them where I want them to go, usually on my back porch for the winter time. As you can see over there at my house, there's some on my back porch there with white plastic on them, and that's where my winter wood comes from. I'm pretty sure that the screws that I'm looking for to do this project are down here in this barn. Just got this thing finished. It's not quite finished yet, but almost. Let's see. I think they're back here. Yeah. Yep, shouldn't need any more than that. Now this one I'm going to put on as a diagonal. I don't put them all on this way, but this will work. And there you have it. And it's got the top member across there. Let's get the diagonal on there, and it's really strong. And now I can pick this up with my tractor forks. And I can go ahead and put my wood on there, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely done with some wood on it. Okay, this is an example of a rack that I've already got done. It's 2 layers thick. My wood is usually about 18 inches long for my fireplace. Or my stove rather, and then I put plastic on top. So we got airflow all the way around it. It can season like this, and then when I'm ready, all I have to do is bring it and set it up on my patio here. I'm ready for the winter. If this is helpful to you, this kind of information, please like and subscribe to the channel. And I have more videos like this coming out to help you with your country lifestyle.